Hey guys, how are you today? I hope you are good. Anyway, I am going to share with you my kitchen utensils. It's from Jamie Oliver, the famous chef cook. I got this big knife and a scissor and utility knife. These are free, guys. I never spend any penny of these kitchen utensils. This big knife, the retail price is 600 Hong Kong dollar, but I got it for free because of the stamp that I collected recently, and then I changed or I redeem my reward. And the scissor, oh my gosh, it is stuck. And also this cute and pointed knife, guys. The price is different also. And I'm so thankful because of this promotion from Jamie Oliver. That's why I got a very good quality kitchen utensil. I am really admiring Jamie Oliver to his knife skills and his excellence as a famous chef cook all over the world. I got another one here, but different brand name. This is MasterChef Santoku knife, the TV series. This is different because this is made to order, so I waited 3 months before I got it. I redeemed my price last May, and this is just arrived July 17, 2020. This is very sharp and very good quality as well, like Jamie Oliver's knife. By the way, mega shout out to all my super chatters and members: Jocelyn Vlogs, James Franco, Romar Velos, Plo21, Domiel, and Mr. Lee, William Bristol. Thank you so much, guys, for all your support. God bless you. Do you know, guys, when you are a member in the supermarket or malls like that, and when you buy something, groceries, food, so you will collect points every day, or it depends how much you spend. You will get your points more and more, and then you can redeem your prize or your reward, like as I redeem my kitchen utensils. So thank God for these blessings. Actually, it will gonna cost me 6,864 pesos, but I am so thankful to God because I got all of this for free. So I am so blessed. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Mwah.